How to verify Faceit account. So first thing you need to do is go to the official website of the Faceit. So make sure you are logged in for you to do this. And once you have already logged in, click on this profile right on the right pan of the screen. And then there will be options and you have to click this account settings. After that, so you're on the account page, and then you just have to scroll a little bit and make sure that your address is accurately located on your specific location or country. Next thing, under this account option, so you just have to click this verification button. So if you have, in this case, my verification is locked yet, but you just have to click on this verification button and there will be steps for you to verify your account. So for example, you have to scan the QR code and then connect it to your mobile, and then it will automatically verify your account by following a series of steps. So in this case, my verification is still locked because these are only available for players who are connected to OW2 or CS2 games. But if you are already a member or a player of these games, so you can already verify your account. So if you have any questions, leave us a comment down below and we'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.